box below. Number 2 is the Canon imageCLASS MF741Cdw laser printer. When looking for the top laser printer for fast printing in 2024, the Canon Color imageCLASS MF741Cdw is a very flexible option. With a fantastic 50-sheet maximum input capacity, you can easily handle huge print projects without continually reloading. It is highly adaptable to your unique requirements because it is compatible with a broad range of sheet sizes, from little 3x 5-inch cards to large 8.5x 14-inch documents. With print and copy capabilities of up to 28 pages per minute for letter-sized and 22.9 pages per minute for legal-sized ones, the MF741Cdw can print and copy documents quickly. With the capacity to bond to materials weighing up to 53 pounds, this printer offers a variety of printing options. It is a handy addition to any workstation because it comes with beginning cartridges, a power wire, a starter guide, a user software DVD-ROM, and a warranty card. Its connectivity options, which include 3 USB ports, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi direct connection, are similarly outstanding. This wide variety of connectivity ensures simple printing from numerous devices and locations, making it a very flexible option. With dimensions of 18.8 by 18.8 by 18.4 inches and a weight of 64 pounds, it will fit on your desktop without taking up too much room. If you're interested in this wireless laser printer, don't forget to check out the link in the description box below.